We just had our deck covered, and with that came gutters, but I don't want them to stay white. I actually have a dream of copper gutters out here. I don't want to pay for them though. So I'm going to show you how to DIY your own copper gutters using spray paint.
I am so thrilled with how these copper downspouts turned out. Now let me know if you think we should continue the copper onto the gutters.